Hi guys, welcome back to Eurodreams YouTube channel. My name is Khushi from Eurodreams, and today I would be helping you out on what all do you need to pack for Italy as an international student. First are the devices. Please research well on what all sorts of devices would you be needing in your class or your university. So in case you would need a laptop, which is a must anyway, so you should always carry that. And apart from that, you should carry few pens, pencils or notebooks which will help you taking down notes or which will even help you in your university classes. Apart from that, if you are interested into photography and you don't want your phone to take up all your space, then I would recommend you to carry a camera along to capture all the beautiful places in Italy and create pressures or special memories. Second is a portable charger. I would definitely recommend you to keep a portable charger with yourself for emergency cases, because you might just run out of battery when you need it the most. You might just want to capture something very beautiful around in Italy, or you might need a Google map to find your way out somewhere or the other. So I would really recommend you to keep portable charger along. Third are your medications. We definitely recommend you to make a list of all the important medications that you need, and even consult your doctor here in your home country or in India, and make a list of all the medicines that you take on a daily basis for cold, flu, allergies, etc., and keep them enough in hand for your stay in Italy, because you might just not get those in Italy or Italian chemists, and you might not just be able to adapt to the medicines that will be available there. So it's always good to carry your medicines in advance. Fourth is your passport and other important documents. You obviously cannot leave without your passport, so keep your passport very safe and know where you have kept it so that you don't lose it in any case. Your other documents are your visa, your license and your passport documents, passport photocopies I would say. So keep those copies with your parents or guardians or friends at home as well in emergency cases, and carry extra copies with you as well while traveling abroad. Probably 1 or 2 copies would work. Fifth will be your toiletries. I would really recommend you to carry your toiletries that you already used to use in your home country or in India with you in Italy, because certain products or certain brands would not be available there, and it might cause discomfort to you if you would have to use a new brand or get used to a new brand. So it's better to carry yours well in advance for enough time. You can carry your makeup, nail trimmer, shampoo, conditioner, feminine products, contact solutions, and your body wash or your sunscreen, I would say. The list of all the toiletries that you should also carry would be available here on the screen. So I made a list here for all the clothing that you would need in Italy. I wouldn't recommend you to pack a lot of them and just fill up your space unnecessarily, because you would get all of it available in Italy according to the weather conditions there, and of good quality and at a cheaper price as well. But all the clothes pairs that you can carry from here are the following: 5 to 6 pairs of undergarments and socks, undershirts, thermal underwear, long sleeve shirts, short sleeve shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, at least 2 to 3 pairs, sweaters, 2 to 3 pairs of jeans, a belt or 2, shorts, skirts for the girls, swimsuits, pajamas, coats, jackets. I recommend at least 2, one for the cold weather and one that is water resistant. Keep one at least nice outfit for any formal occasion that you would have to attend in your university right in the beginning. One pair of flip-flops or sandals of some sort, sneakers, dress shoes or your rain boots. Cold weather gear, you can carry your gloves or hats, scarf, etc. from here, whatever you wish to. Other miscellaneous items that you should carry to Italy depend on your way of living. Anything which is important to you or something that you're already used to and you need to carry it along with you to Italy. Like, I just have a list of all those things that you can also carry. Your umbrella, hangers, water bottle, sunglasses, journal, stationery, your watch, small purse, backpack for pillow when you go out, pillowcases, bed sheets, face masks, hand sanitizers, nail cutter or your earbuds. So there are many things that you can carry as per your way of living and those products that you're used to. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.